ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। अथ एकादशः पाठः। प्राणेभ्योऽपि प्रियः सुहृत्। प्रस्तुतोऽयं नाट्यांशः महाकविविशाखदत्तस्य कृतिः मुद्राराक्षसम् इति नाटकस्य प्रथमाङ्कात् उद्धृतोऽस्ति. This current chapter in discussion has been taken, a segment of it has been taken from the Natya which is called Mudra Rakshasam, a play by the famous poet Vishakha Datta, and it has been taken from the first act of the original play. नाटकस्य अस्मिन् भागे चन्दनदासः स्वसुहृदर्थं प्राणोत्सर्गं कर्तुमपि प्रयतते. For the sake of his friend, swasuhrid artham, his suhrit friend artham, for him, prana utsargam kartumapi, even to the extent of having to die and give up his life, vital breaths, the five pranas, kartumapi prayatate. He attempts to even do that. Who? Chandanadasa is the character here. Atra kathanake nandavamshasya vinashanantaram तस्य हितैषिणां बन्धनक्रमे चाणक्येन चन्दनदासः सम्प्राप्तः. अत्र कथानके, in this story, the background of it is like this. The Nanda Vamsha, the Nanda dynasty has been destroyed. Vinashanantaram, after the destruction, Vinashanantaram, tasya hitaishinam bandhanakrame. Now there will still remain a few people who were loyal to the Nanda dynasty, and hence they won't be loyal to the current dynasty, which was the Chandragupta Mauryas, the Mauryan dynasty. And so Chanakya, who was in favor of Chandragupta Maurya, wanted to put these people behind bars. Therefore, Bandhanakrama. So therefore, he wanted to meet Chandanadasa because he was suspicious of Chandanadasa for some reason. बद्धोपि चन्दनदासः अमात्यादीनां विषये न किमपि रहस्यं प्रोक्तवान्. बद्धः अपि, even if Chandanadasa was jailed and interrogated, अमात्यादीनां विषये न किमपि उक्तवान्. He didn't even let out one secret, one small secret of the Amatya. Amatya are the ministers of the previous king, which was the Nanda dynasty's king, Nanda dynasts. So he didn't let out even a small secret. वार्तालाप प्रसंगे राजदंड भीतिः समुत्पादने अपि सः गोप्य रहस्यम् अनुद्घाट्य राजदंडं स्वीकृत्य सुहृदी निष्ठां प्रबोधयति. वार्तालाप प्रसंगे, in the interrogation, Chanakya frightens him with the capital punishment, Rajadanda. Even if he incited fear in him, Gopya Rahasyam Anudghatya, this Chandanadasa did not even let out those important secrets of the king, of the previous dynasty, where he kept his treasures, where the ministers were, what are they planning, what are their schemes and sketches. Rajadandam Swikritya, he accepted the capital punishment, and Suhridi Nishtham Prabodhayati, in his friend, he had his loyalty. Loyalty is nishtha. He showed his sincerity and he was loyal to his friend. Chanakya, that's the niti, that's the moral of the story. So now let us go through the story itself. Chanakya vatsa manikara shreshtinam chandanadasa midanim drashtumichhami. Vatsa, he speaks to his disciple. Vatsa is dear son. Manikara Shreshtinam Chandanadasam Idanim. Chandanadasam Manikara Shreshtinam. The Manikara is the one who strings pearls, and in the sense he is a jeweler. Shreshtinam, this great man, Chandanadasa, I want to see him. Idanimeva, I want to see him right now. Shishyaha, the disciple says, Tatha iti. Okay, astu, all right. निष्क्रम्य चंदनदासेन सह प्रविश्य, निष्क्रम्य he exits, then चंदनदासेन सह प्रविश्य, he comes along with Chandanadasa, he brings along with him Chandanadasa. Pravishya, after entering, he speaks, itah itah shreshtin ubhau parikramatah. Now I think there was a small tunnel like thing into the palace. So they went around the palace and then came directly to Chanakya. Itaha is come this way. Shishyah upasritya upadhyaya ayam shreshthi Chandanadasaha. This person, this merchant, this great man is Chandanadasa. He speaks thus to his teacher, who is Chanakya. And he calls him Upadhyaya. Upadhyaya is a great teacher. Chandanadasah, Jayatvaryah. Arya here is not the Aryan invasion theory, which is debunked. Here, Arya means a respectable man. It's a common way of addressing a person with respect. So it's an epithet you use to call a person of respectable nature. So Arya, Jayatu Aryaha, may the great noble man win. And here noble does not mean just the priestly or the kingly class. Here Arya is the nobleman. Anyone can be a nobleman, na? So it is not only the caste that we have to bring into our mind, and it is actually false. So Jayatvaryaha, here it means may this nobleman win because he is in power right now. Chanakya श्रेष्ठिन् स्वागतन्ते अपि प्रचीयन्ते संव्यवहाराणां वृद्धिलाभाः स्वागतन्ते वेलकम अपि प्रचीयन्ते संव्यवहाराणां वृद्धिलाभाः अपि here is used to ask a question. Is it not? Are your businesses and trades going well? Here api is also used as a WH question. I mean is or not, is or aren't questions, yes or no questions. Api prachiyante vriddhim yanti. Are they growing? What are they growing? What are growing? Samvyavaharanam vriddhi labhaha. Are your vriddhi labhaha, your interests and profits of this trade and businesses that you're doing, are they growing well? This is a kushala pariprashna. Just some exchange of greetings, and it's just a routine habit that people used to do as diplomacy. Chandana Dasaha Atmagatam, to himself. Atmagatam everywhere means to himself. Atyadaraha Shankaniyaha. Atyadaraha Shankaniyaha. If this guy is respecting me so much and asking me these Kushala Prashnaha, then probably there is something to come yet. Shankaniyaha is doubtful. Atyadaraha, Ati Adaraha. Too much of respect is, it brings a doubt in us. Prakasham means open, out loud, aloud. अथ किम् आर्यस्य प्रसादेन अखण्डिता मे वाणिज्य. आर्यस्य प्रसादेन by your esteemed presence, प्रसादेन अखण्डिता मे वाणिज्य. वाणिज्य is business and trades. मे वाणिज्य मम वाणिज्य अखण्डिता अस्ति. It is unbroken. It is, there has been no losses at all. And here he says Aryasya Prasadena, as though Chanakya has helped him. Now that's just again some diplomatic statements. Chanakya Bho Shreshtan Preetabhyah Prakritibhyah Pratipriyamichanti Rajanah. Preetabhyah Prakritibhyah. Bho Shreshtan, O good man. Preetabhyah Prakritibhyah. Prakritibhyah Preetabhyah, who are naturally compassionate and who are naturally who do good to others. Preetabhyah Pratipriyam Ichanti Rajanah. The Rajanah, the kings, what do? They wish Ichanti Pratipriyam. They wish to reciprocate this goodwill. So, since you are doing this, your businesses well and bringing profit and raising the economy of, contributing to the economy of this kingdom, the Rajana, the kings would definitely give you something in return, would do pratyupakara to you. Chandana Dasaha Ajñapayatu Aryaha Kim Kiyatcha Asmajjanadishyate iti. Ajñapayatu Aryaha, may this nobleman order me, command me. And here again, this is again a diplomatic statement that was used in front of very highly respectable people, because we know of Chanakya's story, how he helped in conquering and uniting the nation. And so he is using the third person, I mean the first person. In Sanskrit it's called the first person, the Prathama Purusha, which is Aryaha Ajñapayati, Ajñapayatu. May Arya command me. But here Arya just means Chanakya himself, whom he is speaking to. But that's the convention that people would follow, a diplomatic convention that we would follow. Kim kiyatcha asmajjanadishyate iti. How much and what do you need from our people, from our community? Because this Chandana Dasa represents the jewelry community and the businessmen at large. So how much does the king want as tax, or how much does he want in return for this for our businesses? Chanakya Bho Shreshtin Chandragupta Rajyamidam na Nandarajyam नन्दस्यैव अर्थबन्धः प्रीतिमुत्पादयति चन्द्रगुप्तस्य तु भवताम् अपरिक्लेशः एव भोः श्रेष्ठन् ओ गुड मैन Chandragupta na Nandarajyam. This is not the Nanda's kingdom now. It is Chandragupta's kingdom. So Nandasya eva arthabandha pritim utpadayate. You would be Nandasya pritim artha sambandha eva utpadayati. To bring happiness to the Nanda kings, by giving money and by taxing, he would get pleased. Who? The king Nanda would get pleased. But this is no more the Nanda dynasty to do so. Here Chandraguptasya pritihi tu bhavatam aparikleshah eva. If you live happily without any suffering and pain, that itself is a great blessing and pleasure to Chandragupta. So now here Chanakya is praising his good friend Chandragupta. Chandana Dasaha Saharsham, very happy that he has evaded taxes. Arya Anugrihitosmi, thanks a lot. I am really blessed. Anugrihitaha asmi, I am really blessed, and I am very fortunate. Chanakya Bho Shreshtin Sacha Aparikleshaha Katham Avirbhavati iti nanu bhavata prashtavya. Yes, good man. Such a pariklesha, that being of non-suffering and not pain, katham avirbhavati, how is it to come about? Iti nanu bhavata prashtavyaha. Shouldn't you ask that? Shouldn't we be asked by you in that way? Because you are very happy now, but you have not thought it through. You must also ask us, what is the way of getting this to live happily without pain and without any much losses? Katham avirbhavati, how will it come about? How will it be apparent? Apparent is avirbhavati. Nanu bhavata prashtavyaha smaha. Aren't we to be asked like that by you? Now this is in the karmani prayoga. Bhavata prashtavyaha smaha. We must be asked that. Here, why is it we? Who does Chanakya refer by we? It means himself. No, because people would generally address themselves as smaha in the vayam. Vayam bhokta smahe. We would eat it. That it means only I would eat it. But it is again some diplomatic way of using the bahuvachana. Prashtavyaha smaha. Even the sannyasis, the sachivaha, then the kings, then many of the public in general, like the Vaishyas and the Shudras, they would also, if they are in a high post, like a very good businessman, would also generally address himself as smaha in the Vayam smaha. Although he is one person, Vayam is just used as adara. So, for example, if a Shudra is doing very well in his profession, then and if a lesser Shudra goes to him in the sense that he is less successful, then he would also speak it as Smaha only. Here, so this Chanakya being very famous in the kingdom, he is referring to himself as Smaha. Chandana Dasaha Ajñapayatu Aryaha, again, let the nobleman command me. Chanakya Rajani Aviruddha Vrittir Bhava. Don't wag your tail before the king. Don't go against the king's orders. Always be with the king. Be loyal to the king. Rajani aviruddha vrittihi. Let your character vritti be aviruddha to the raja. Let it be non-controversial. let it not challenge the king's authority. Bhava, be. चन्दनदासः आर्य कः पुनरधन्यो राज्ञो विरुद्धः इति आर्येणावगम्यते. आर्य, ओ नोबल मैन, कः पुनः अधन्यः, who is that unlucky unfortunate man who can राज्ञः अविरुद्धः, who can challenge the king himself. Iti आर्येण अवगम्यते. Who do you think has that capability and so is so unfortunate as to go against the king? Chanakya, Bhavaneva tavat prathamam. You yourself are prathamam. The first person I can find and I can show you an example is yourself. Chandana Dasaha, Karnopidhaya, closing his ears. Shantam papam. Kidrishas trinanam agninasaha virodha. How can there be any challenge or how can there be any opposition from the grasses, from the little petty grasses, trinanam agnina saha virodha. How can it challenge the fire itself? Virodha. How can it oppose? Chanakya, ayam idrisho virodha yat tam adyapi rajapatyakarino amatya rakshasasya grihajanam swagrihe rakshasi. And I will tell you how this virodha has come. Ayam virodha idrishaha. I will tell you how you are opposing the king. Yat, that tvam adyapi, even today you have given ashraya. You have kept the amatya rakshasasya grihajanam swagrihe rakshasi. You have protected the grihajana. You have protected the family members and the parivara of amatya rakshasa, the demonic ministers of the Nanda dynasty. You have given ashraya to him. You have given them a refuge in your own home, and you are protecting them. Rajapathyakarinaha. They desire not the welfare of this current king, but they want Raja Apathyakarinaha. They are going to sketch plans and with their hunchbacks, they are going to see ways through cunning to bring down this king. So they are very, what do you say? Raja Apathyakarinaha. They don't desire the welfare of the king is what the literal meaning is. Chandana Dasaha, Arya, Alikametat. It is really false. It is highly a blatant lie. Kena, Alika is falsehood. I mean, untruth. Ekena kenapya anaryena aryaya niveditam. It has been told by some anarya, by some dishonest man to this arya, to yourself. You have heard it from someone who is disgraced to this kingdom, anarya. Chanakya, Bhoho Shresthin, Alam Ashankaya, stop playing around and stop doubting from where I have got this message. Alam Ashankaya. Alam is always to be used with Tritiya Vibhakti in the context of prohibition. So Alam Ashankaya, Alam. Ashanka is doubt and fear. Alam Ashankaya, I know. I have heard it from reliable sources itself. Bhitaha Purvaraja Purushaha Paurāṇāṁ ichchatāṁ api griheshu grihajanan nikshipya deshantaram vrajanti. I know this thing. I know this is a known fact. What? Bhitaha Purvaraja Purushaha. Those who were loyal to a previous king, Purvaraja Purushaha, Bhitaha, because they are frightened now that the new king has come. Ichchatam Paurāṇāṁ api. Into those people who, these citizens, Paura means citizens, those who are willing to give them the refuge into their homes, into their houses, they nikshipya grihajanam, they place their entire family, their wives, their children, all of their friends, they put it in their houses, they put them in their houses. Deshantaram vrajanti, then they go away to some other kingdoms. Tataha tat prachadanam doshamutpadayati. Tataha, therefore, Tat prachhadanam, to conceal these secrets, to conceal where they are living. Dosham utpadayati, it is as good as going against the king and it is a grave mistake. Dosham utpadayati, it becomes a grave mistake. Jandanadasah, evannu idam, tasmin samaye asidasmat grihe amatya rakshasasya grihajana iti. Evannu idam, of course, it's true. Evam nu idam, yes, it happens. Idam, evam nu. It is generally known, yes, it is true. It is common in this world that they do so. Tasmin samaye asit. They were living in our house, asmat grihe. Tasmin samaye asit. Yes, the family members were there in our house, but very so long ago that you can't even remember. Iti amatya rakshasasya grihajana iti asit. Yes, they were there, the amatya rakshasas. Now he is also addressing those amatyas who were actually his friends as amatya rakshasa. They are very demonic, but they used to live in our house for some time, but now they are no longer living in it. Chanakya पूर्वम अनृतम इदानीम आसीत इति परस्पर विरुद्धे वचने. Before you said anritam, it is untrue, it is false. Idanim, now you are saying they were there. Aren't these two contradictory? Paraspara viruddhe vachane, isn't this ironic and contradicting each other? Chandanadasah arya tasmin samaye asid asmat grihe amatya rakshasasya grihajana iti. Yes, that is true. Now they are not there, so it is false that they are there now. It is true that they were living in our house in the past. Chanakya atha idanim kva gatah. Now, so where have they gone now? Kva gatah, kva is kutra. Where have they gone now? Idanim na janami. Kathan na jnayate nama. How can you not know? How is it not known? Boh shreshtin shirasi bhayam ati duram tat pratikaraha. Shirasi bhayam asti. Be careful. Have a fear of your head. Shirasi bhayam bhavet. That means your head would go out. You would lose your head soon. We are going to behead you. So have that fear in your head. Ati duram pratikaraha. Tat pratikaraha. To deny it is very far. Which means you can't deny your capital punishment if you keep going this way. Arya, kim me bhayan darshayasi? Oh, nobleman, so you're inciting fear in me. You think you can frighten me? Santamapi gehe amatya rakshasasya grihajanam na samarpayami kim punarasantam. Gehe amatya rakshasasya grihajanam santam api na samarpayami. Even of these whom you call amatya rakshasas, even if their family was there in our house, I wouldn't hand them over to you. So what about kim punaha asantam? Then what should I say about if they are not even there, if they are not even existent in our house? Chanakya Chandanadasa Esha evate nishchayaha. Is this your final take on this matter? Esha evate nishchayaha. Is this your final? Are these your final words? Is this what you have ascertained? Chandanadasa Badham. Yes, of course, Badham. Esha eva mama nishchayaha. Esha eva me nishchayaha. Of course, this is my final take. This is my decision. Chanakya Swagatam Sadhu. Chandanadasa Sadhu. Now Chandanadasa can't be praised in front of the court here, right? So he is saying to himself, Swagatam, Atmagatam is the same. To himself, he says in his mind, he praises him, applauds him. Sadhu, Chandanadasa, Sadhu. Wow, very good, Chandanadasa. Swabheshvarthalabheshu parasamvedane jane ka idam dushkarang kuryad idanim shivina vina. Sulabheshvarthalabheshu parasamvedane jane ka idam dushkarang kuryad idanim shivina vina. Idanim, which means this sloka is very crucial to this chapter. It has a lot of suggestive messages. Idanim, in here Chanakya, he is praising himself in the mind. Yes, he says, Idanim, in this Kali Yuga, Sulabheshu Arthalabheshu, it is very easy to earn profit and live for himself. To be selfish is very easy. Sulabheshu Arthalabheshu, one can earn lot of money and profit and lead a selfish life. It is very easy and it is the nature of Kali Yuga. Idanim. Parasamvedane jane, but who can understand the hearts of the other people? Those people who can be empathetic to others, can have sympathy for others and understand their pains, and to be loyal and sincere in the relationships. Ka idam dushkaram kuryat. Who can live such a torturous life? Dushkaram is very difficult. Who can lead such a integral, honest life? Dushkaram kuryat idanim shivina vina. In this Kali Yuga where there is no kings like the Shibi Raja, Shibi Chakravarti, and other than Shivi, who was in the Satya Yuga, who is no longer alive, in such a despicable time of the Kali Yuga, such of despair and selfishness, who here can be as loyal to their relationships and honest and willing to give up their lives for the sake of a person? Ka idam dushkaram kuryad idanim shivina vina. Now this shloka has a lot of suggestions. One is suggesting that idanim, in this Kali Yuga, sulabha arthalabha. It is very easy to be selfish and to remain just a witness to the happenings in the world if it does not affect them. Then parasamvedane jane dushkaram asti. To be empathetic and to put themselves in others' shoes and understand their situation, to be compassionate towards them, is very dushkaram. To be selfless is very difficult. Ka idam kuryat. Who is able to do that? Who can lead such a hard life in this Kali Yuga, which demands that we be selfish or else we'll be stamped over? Shivina vina. This Kali Yuga, which couldn't give rise to Chakravartis like Shivi, who was in the Satya Yuga. How can there be any such man? So this is the third meaning is he is addressing this Chandranadasa himself to be Shibi. So other than this Chandranadasa, who is the Shibi of the Kali Yuga, who else is ready to give up their life for the sake of others? So these are some of the suggestions that I couldn't take from this shloka. So here, who is the Shibi? The Shibi or the Shivi is the king who to whom here a story is given in the Yogi Vistar, I think, where to whom the pigeons came, and since they were troubled or maybe they were hungry during a drought, he was quite a good king, so he wanted all of his subjects to be happy, I think. Therefore, considering the pigeons also in his kingdom to be the citizens of his kingdom, the praja, he wanted them to be happy, and therefore in their times of distraught, he gave up his entire body. He cut himself into many pieces and became the offerings, the food for the vultures and the starved pigeons. So such was the case in the Satya Yuga, where such people thrived, such great generous kings came. Even in the Dwapara Yuga we had Karna. But in this Kali Yuga, other than this Chandranadasa, it seems there can no one else can be as compassionate and willing to go to the extreme. This was a good chapter. Hope you enjoyed. Dhanyavadaha.